Hello everyone, Dave Hahn here. I'm going to explain to you how to save your Illustrator file, convert it to a PDF, and then upload it to Blackboard. So here we have in-class homework. Let's say I'm done with that. First thing I'm going to do is save my work, right? I've already saved it. I see no asterisk here. That means my file's already been saved. First step we need to do is convert this to a PDF. This is how we do it. File, Save As, and we're going to make sure we're saving it someplace where you can find it. I have it in my document folder in a folder called Fashion Tech. My work has already been saved as an Illustrator file, so I have it named here. And I want to change this from an Illustrator file to Adobe PDF. So you're going to click here where it says Save File as Type, Adobe PDF. Now it says .pdf, my last name. I'm just going to hit Save after that. Make sure I know where I'm saving it to. It says I already did that. Do you want to replace it? Since I already did this earlier, I'm going to do it again. Go ahead. I'm going to replace it. And then this pop-up happens. So there are three things you must change. The first thing you want to do is where it says preset, change this from default to smallest file size. What that does is it unchecks this option, preserve Illustrator editing capabilities. Since we're saving both files, our original Illustrator file and a PDF, we do not need to have this checked. If you have this checked, your file can exceed 20 megabytes. It can go over 20 and then you won't get credit for your work. So make sure this is unchecked. And we uncheck this by choosing this option here, smallest file size. Make sure that's unchecked. The second thing we do is go to compression, and we want to keep our image quality high. So we're going to change it in these two places here. Image quality to be high, image quality high here. And then we're going to go to output and say color conversion, we're going to say no conversion. And then we'll save that as a PDF. And it gives you a warning. Are you sure you don't want Illustrator editing capabilities turned on? Yes, I'm sure. Say OK. So it saved my work. Now I need to upload it to Blackboard. So I'm going to go to my lab folder, and we're going to go to Classwork 2, Illustrator 1, okay, which is like kind of homework 1. I'm going to click here, and here's the points. 10 points possible for these two assignments. One PDF from our in-class work we did, and one PDF file of this assignment where we trace these accessories. Make sure you have two files if you want to get your 10 points. I see many of you uploading only one file, either the Illustrator file we did in class, or they're uploading only one file, the homework. Make sure you have both in one submission. And how you do that is you go down here where it says Browse My Computer, and I'm going to navigate to where I saved it, which is in my document folder, in my Fashion Tech folder. Here's my classwork that I did, right? I'm going to say Open, and I can see my name here. Then I'm going to browse my computer a second time, and I'm going to put my homework here, and you can see the accessories right there, and they've been traced. So I'll open that, I'll put both of those there, in-class work, homework. Here's the comments area. You can let me know if you're from out of state and you know there's a great pizza place near your house. Go ahead and put the address here. Or tell me a joke, put me in a good mood before I grade your work. All things that can help you. Just kidding, it won't help. It may help, who knows? Anyway, after you're done, hit submit, and that's it. You've uploaded both works into one submission. If you uploaded one file in one submission, and then in your second submission uploaded a second file, we're only going to give you half credit, because we can only give you credit for the files you have on your submission. If your last submission only has one file, that'll be 5 points. If your last submission has 2 files, that'll be 10 points. So make sure you have both files. All right, that's it. Bye-bye.